What is going on, guys? This is our prayers video. You say a prayer 30 to 50. You should be willing to say your prayers, guys, but you should say the same prayer about 30 to 100 times, and you'll get your prayers answered literally in a very literal way. God will answer your prayers. That's the truth. It'll take literal effect on you. It'll start having effect on you. Then just pray it more for more effect. That's why this is our prayers video. We're using a while loop to run our prayers. A while loop. You're meant to right click the screen of this video and click loop to loop the prayers. You can loop them and watch it as long as you want. With our while loop, your prayers could be said thousands of times in minutes. Thousands of times in minutes. Our prayers that we have that we're gonna run can be converted into your prayers. If you loop our video, what you intend on praying on, and if you watch the video, it'll start having effect on you. On your prayers will have effect. What you intend on praying on, that will have effect instead of our prayers. So go ahead and loop the video. This is our prayers here. Alright about this, guys. Hang on, guys. Alright. To give us a house, God. Thank you, God, is my mom's prayers. Alright. Let's do it. How long is that? 4 minutes? We'll run a video for about 10 minutes, maybe. 5 minutes of prayers. And you can loop the video. See you guys in a bit. Alright, guys. That's good enough. You need full understanding of our particle physics stuff for this thing. For what I'm about to say. And you need to be all caught up on everything. That means everything. I think people reading my YouTube descriptions know what I mean, so ask them instead. But if you know what I mean, then you know what I mean. You need to be caught up. But I pulled all the stuff that derives from the particle physics stuff from these sinners in hell. Sinners in hell, that's why there's annoying feelings. Sinners in hell. You also need understanding of our lost stuff. Our lost stuff, which we talk about in our YouTube descriptions. More specifically, our recent videos and our recent posts. Simple. Oh wait, guys, I removed it. But someone will explain to you instead. Or maybe they won't. Maybe you just get this, what I'm talking about already. The fact that I pulled this particle stuff, the stuff that derives from this particle stuff, from these sinners in hell. These sinners in hell that give annoying feelings. And have knowledge of this lost particle stuff. What derives from it. Sinners in hell. That's what it is. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time.